Everyone talks about owning just one Bitcoin, but in 2026, the math has changed. At 90,000 per coin, owning just 0.1 already puts you ahead of almost everyone, and most don't even realize it. What's going on, everybody? I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxis. So today, we're gonna get straight into this video. And if you guys hear a lot of wind in this video, I apologize, because it's pretty windy where I'm at here in Southern California. You know, the sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, but today I wanted to bring you all this news because I do a lot of videos on 0.1, 0.01. Now, 0.1 Bitcoin has definitely changed, especially as we're getting into 2026. So if you own 0.1 Bitcoin, you control over $90,000 worth of the hardest asset on earth. All right, now let's talk about 2022 to 2023 reality. Now, the Bitcoin range around 20K to 40K. 0.1 Bitcoin was around $2,000 to $4,000, right? Most people thought I'll get to one Bitcoin later, and we've seen that a lot in 2022, 2023, 2021. A lot of people would say, well, I'm going to be patient on stacking and getting to one Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not going to go anywhere. And what happened? All of a sudden we went from that price target that I just mentioned, and now we're at $90,000. And the bears are saying we're going to go down, and we're not. I don't think we are. And so 2026 is going to catch a lot of people by surprise. I truly believe at the end of the year. Now, Bitcoin price range 2022, 2023, 20 to 40K. 0.1 Bitcoin was 2,000 to 4,000, right? Now, 2026 reality, which now we're approaching, right? We're just in 2026 now. Fresh start, fresh year. I hope you all are having a good start to your new year. Now, 0.1 Bitcoin is around $9,000. So one Bitcoin is psychologically unbreakable for most people, not unbreakable, but unreachable, right? A lot of people don't even have $10,000 saved, $9,000, not even $1,000 saved, especially here in the United States, from where you're tuning in from around the world. Most people can't even afford $1,000 in emergency, right? So 0.1 Bitcoin is becoming more and more unreachable. Now, the math didn't change, the target changed. Now, the target is around $9,000, and it's important to recognize that stacking consistently is how you're going to get there. Stacking patiently, stacking consistently, and seeing the price trading sideways is a good thing, because we don't want Bitcoin to all of a sudden skyrocket. Now, people would like that, but the true Bitcoin maximalists know that no matter what the price is, they're going to keep stacking, no matter if we go down or go up. Now, why 0.1 Bitcoin is the new one? Now, the old model, I'll own a whole Bitcoin someday. Now, the required capital to own a whole Bitcoin is around $90,000. Now, before this video, I checked, and it was, I think we're hovering around 91, almost 92, I believe. So imagine that, right? Imagine $90,000. A lot of people, just to get that, would have to mortgage and sell their house, right? In order to do that, to be able to get to that, and not a lot of people want to do that. Not a lot of people have $90,000 just laying around to buy one Bitcoin. Now, the new reality, median U.S. savings is less than $10,000, so 0.1 Bitcoin now represents a full year of disciplined saving, okay? A serious financial position, not a hobby. Owning 0.1 Bitcoin puts you ahead in 2026 of 99% of people who will never reach that. Now, if Bitcoin goes to $120,000, right? 0.1 Bitcoin is $12,000. Now, if Bitcoin goes to $150,000, which eventually we will get to these price targets, 0.1 Bitcoin is $15,000. And if Bitcoin goes to 200K, 0.1 Bitcoin is $20,000. So I want you all to imagine this. Now, say you are able to get to that 0.1 Bitcoin right now, okay? Say, just hypothetically, you get to that 0.1 Bitcoin, or you might be somebody that's already at that 0.1 Bitcoin, and say you don't even stack. Now, if Bitcoin goes to 200K, right? Your 0.1 Bitcoin goes from 9,000 roughly to around 20. That's $10,000. So you have to think to yourself, what else is better? What else can you just put your money into and it just grows like that quick? The CD, where you're getting 3% if you're lucky? Come on now, you can't get that. Now, scarcity math. Bitcoin supply is capped at 21 million. Now, for those of you that are on this channel, we're not going to beat a dead horse, but a lot of the Bitcoin is already lost, and more are going to continuously be lost that we don't even know about until years later. Now, the world population is 8+ billion people. Now, 8 billion people who can never own 0.1 Bitcoin. Now, 210 million max can only own 0.1 Bitcoin. That's 2.6% of the world. If you own 0.1 Bitcoin, you're already in global minority, and that number can only go down. So, I want you all to understand that this year, I don't like making predictions, you all know that, but if we see Bitcoin go back to all-time high and hit that $150,000 price target, that $200,000, then 0.1 Bitcoin is going to be harder and harder to reach. And I want you all to understand that you have to ignore these people online saying that Bitcoin is going to go down, Bitcoin is dead, Bitcoin is done, Bitcoin is going to go up forever. Right? Bitcoin is going to go up forever because it's the best thing that you can put your money into, in my opinion. All right? This is the new way of making wealth. And so real estate was the old way. You know, some people still making money in real estate, but you know, there's a lot of things that are risky with real estate, right? Fixing and flipping, there's risks with that. Sometimes you buy a house, and depending on the market, it might have bought, you know, when things were more expensive. And so, Bitcoin is the best thing you can put your money into, and with it being capped at 21 million, around 17 million left, you have to think to yourself, what else can I put my money into that I can continuously keep adding? And 0.1 Bitcoin is a target that I recommend everybody to strive for. If you're at that point, you are among 210 million people that is able to stack that in the world and add another 0.1, right? But I wanted to come on and make this video because I want you to understand the math has changed in 2026, and as we get farther along into the year, it's only, in my opinion, going to keep going up as time goes on. Like historically, we've seen with Bitcoin, right? Historically, we've seen Bitcoin over the years go up more and more and more. And the train's not stopping, despite what you hear. But see this as an opportunity right now, while we're trading sideways, to continuously stack. See it as a good thing, right? So I want to come on and make this video, and we're having a good new year. 2026, nice start. Let's make this the year that we build wealth, we be disciplined, and we just put as much money as we can into Bitcoin for our financial future. And we want to be among the people that were early and ignored the noise, ignored the people that saying Bitcoin's dead, and ultimately be among the 8 billion people that were disciplined to stack as much Bitcoin as we possibly could. And we did the things in our lives that we needed to do in order to make that happen. Because a lot of people, I've seen comments too where people will say, well, 0.1 Bitcoin is nothing. Now, 0.1 Bitcoin is not going to make you financial wealth. But at the same time, you have to also realize when you see those comments, those people don't really understand that holding 0.1 Bitcoin is better. Holding $10,000 in Bitcoin is better than putting it into a savings account where it's losing value. And those people are just going to get poor and left behind, and then they'll eventually disappear like we've seen in the past. So I will see you all in the next video. Remember, I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxis. Stack sats, stay free, stay humble, and I'll see you on the next video. And I hope you all have a good day.